turkey in the oven.
Oh, a turkey in the oven. Oh. You want the bird? Go in the alley and eat the bird. You hungry, Rock?
No turkey for you. And I just love how he pulls the wing off for himself before he throws it in the alley. Classic. Yep, it's that time of the year again. And Thanksgiving for me is by far the best food day of the year. My wife loves calling me the Grinch for some reason. But I'll take Thanksgiving any day over endless reruns of The Christmas Story.
You'll shoot your eye out, kid.
They killed that movie. But Elf, on the other hand, is pretty good. But to each his own, I guess. Thanksgiving just gets it right for me every single year. Well, with the exception of Black Friday. But more importantly, the family, the football, and obviously the food. There's nothing better than a turkey cooked to perfection. And last year was the first year I deep fried one, and it was amazing. It was super fast and honestly the juiciest turkey I've ever eaten. I would definitely give it a try if you're feeling up to it this year. But just please make sure to do it outside. Don't drop a frozen turkey into hot oil. No. Okay, enough about turkey. For me, it's all about the side. And that's what this episode is all about today. This will be a 2-part series. I'm gonna have another episode for you guys tomorrow. So do me a favor, get subscribed, and let's get started. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to make the perfect mashed potatoes. Yeah, I said it, perfect. I know, it's just mashed potato, but speaking from experience, not everybody knows how to do it right. But hopefully that ends today. Like I said, this really is a basic recipe, but there's a few key steps that you're not going to want to miss. And then I'm going to show you how to make my quick and easy fresh cranberry sauce. This is what really balances out the entire meal. I mean, I'll even prefer that canned jelly stuff over no cranberry sauce at all. You got the sweet mixed with the savory, a little bit of acid. So this is what you're going to need to get started today. For the mash, you're going to need 4 large russet potatoes, about 2 pounds. The only other potato that I would use here are Yukon Golds, fingerlings, or rat potatoes. 1 cup of milk, 1 garlic clove smashed, 5 tablespoons of butter, a half a cup of sour cream, and the most important tool for this recipe is a potato ricer. This one I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. It's got like adjustable settings here. You want it on the finest one, obviously, for potato, but you can use a regular masher, but to get them super fluffy, you need one of these. You're gonna want to set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and obviously scrub your potatoes, but leave the skin on. Then we're gonna throw those bad boys in the oven. Cooking time for me was about 45 minutes, so use that time to get the rest of your ingredients together. Next, we're gonna heat up the milk and melt down the butter. 1 clove of smashed garlic and a sage leaf. You can use any herb here, like rosemary or thyme, but I had some extra sage, so I decided to go with that this year. Okay, now that our potatoes are cooked, we want to peel these and get them through the ricer while they're still hot, so let's go. And if your hands aren't as heat tempered as mine, it's all good. Just grab a pair of clean kitchen gloves and it should help out. Now we're going to mix in the strained liquid. And then fold in the sour cream. And this is where you can adjust the seasoning as you like. Plate it up and finish it with a knob of butter. And that's it, the perfect mash. I told you it was easy. Now let's give it a taste. They're so fluffy, dude. They're so good. When that's done right, I can eat this whole bowl. I used to do it the old-fashioned way and just boil the potatoes, but I'm telling you, roasting them, you retain more of that nuttiness, that potato flavor, and the sour cream just takes it up a notch. It's just killer. So try these out. Please try these out. I'm gonna eat some more of these. Okay, time to move on. For the cranberry sauce, a 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries, 1 cup of water, 1 3/4 cups of sugar, 2 ounces of Grand Marnier, 1 Granny Smith apple, 1 orange zested and juiced, 1 lemon zested and juiced, and a half a cup of crushed walnuts. This one can be made a few days in advance to lighten up your workload the day of. And again, this is another super simple one, but it's really fun, super easy to make, and it's actually really good. Grab a saucepan and throw in your cranberries and 1 cup of water. Turn your heat on high, and once the cranberries start to pop, stir in the rest of your ingredients. Let this go while stirring occasionally for about 15 to 20 minutes. Cool it down and serve this chilled. Guys, this stuff is so good. I love the walnuts. I'm excited to know how all this turned out for you guys. Shoot me a comment down below. There's more to come tomorrow. A little more complicated, but a lot of fun as well. So get subscribed, and just remember, have fun, keep cooking, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.